I teach because I love this noble profession. I teach because when I was growing up, I had a mom who was extremely supportive. She provided me with everything I needed to ensure that I was successful in the future. And so I chose to teach because I wanted to be the role model my mom was to me. I want to be the adult who ensures that I provide the support, the love, and everything that the students aren't receiving at home or in their communities. I want to create change, and if I stand on the sidelines, that will never come. So I want to be in the classroom where I know I can inspire the students, I can motivate them, and I can help them to fulfill the dreams and the passions that they have within them, or to even help them recognize that they have something burning on the inside and they need someone to pull that out of them. I teach because I love it. I love everything about teaching. I really love it. I'm getting emotional, but yes, I can't think of anything else that I would do. I would choose teaching all over if I had that opportunity. And so I wish to continue on this path, impacting, embracing the students. I would not be anywhere else but in the classroom. It's my calling.
We are